Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. We are just a few days from the new year, so I am hoping that everyone who wants to work from home ends up finding their dream work from home job in this next year. Today's job lead is from the company Superhuman. Now, they are an email solutions company and they are hiring a customer delight specialist. They are hiring throughout North and South America, but they are looking for someone specifically to work the evening shift in Pacific Standard Time Zone. So make sure you convert your time zone to those hours to see if they will work for you. But basically, this is like a customer service role. You'll become Superhuman's most knowledgeable product expert of all the products that they offer. You'll educate and encourage customers to make them brilliant at their email and the email solutions. You'll communicate with customers to solve any problems that they have and improve their lives. You'll also be the voice of the customers internally, letting other teams know what is needed. You'll influence the product and growth strategy, and you'll go above and beyond, creating moments of delight. They do want someone who can work 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific time to support their customers. Now, if this sounds like something you might be interested in, they are looking for someone who has 0 to 2 years experience in customer service, customer facing roles, someone who is great at communication, has great attention to detail, someone who is willing to go that extra mile for the customer, of course, someone who is a fast learner and determined. Now, while they do not list pay, that will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. They do have quite a few benefits, including fully paid medical, dental, and vision insurance for you. They offer standard paid time off and all of those things, but they give you a custom MacBook Pro, so you get the computer you need to do the work. You don't have to have a computer. On top of that, they give you $1,000 budget for your workstation setup. So to buy extra monitors, a desk, whatever you need to set your workstation up so you can be productive. And because this is a remote role and you are not in the office where they can cater in lunches, they are also providing $60 a week for lunches, groceries, or whatever food you may need. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.